Day 2 had arrived. The sun wasn't even high yet, but the man was already prepared, still wearing the same shirt as yesterday. Maybe he believed it brought good luck, or maybe it was simply the only outfit he had. With determined steps, he returned to the Monad office, even though this was still just the interview stage, not a job, no salary, but his enthusiasm, as if he'd just been promoted. Today, I'm definitely passing again, he muttered confidently, even though yesterday, HR had only said, please wait for an update next week. But hey, who are we to crush someone's dreams? Keep that spirit alive, sir. Keep it up until reality gives you a gentle slap. Now, let's see how this drama unfolds next.
Gmonad Revo, thank you for coming today. Please have a seat for a moment. I will process your attendance shortly.
Gmonad Mr. Keown. Today I came to continue the interview from yesterday.
Okay, Revo, are you ready for today?
I am very ready and enthusiastic, sir, to answer your questions, Mr. Keown.
Alright, without further delay, let's go straight to the first question. What is the Monad public testnet?
The Monad testnet is the first publicly available version of the Monad protocol. The goal is to provide a safe and risk-free environment for developers to experiment and communities to interact with dApps before they go fully live on Monad mainnet. In case you're not already aware, Monad is the world's most performant EVM chain. It's 100% bytecode compatible with Ethereum, but rebuilt from scratch to be faster, cheaper, and more user-friendly without compromising on security or decentralization. For Join with Testnet, you can visit https://testnet.monad.xyz/.
Can you explain the main function of the Monad public testnet and how it benefits developers and users before the mainnet launch?
The Monad testnet is a public blockchain network designed for developers and users to experiment with the Monad protocol in a safe, risk-free environment before mainnet launch. It is fully EVM compatible, meaning you can use Ethereum tools, wallets, and smart contracts on Monad testnet. Key functions and features of Monad testnet: experimentation, safely test dApps, smart contracts, and transactions without real monetary risk. EVM compatibility, 100% bytecode compatible with Ethereum, so you can use familiar tools and deploy existing contracts. Testnet tokens, use MEN testnet tokens. No real value for transactions, which you can get from the Monad testnet faucet. Public access. Anyone can join, deploy, and interact with contracts. Analytics, supported by analytics providers like Flipside. Canonical contracts includes pre-deployed contracts like Uniswap, Multicall, and more for easy integration and testing. In short, the Monad public testnet is a bridge between development and the official launch. Its main functions are to test, validate, and refine before going live.
That's an excellent answer. I really like how clearly and concisely you explained it. Describing the testnet as a bridge to the mainnet shows a strong understanding of the development cycle. Well done.
Thank you very much, Mr. Keone. I'm glad my answer was well received. I'm genuinely interested in blockchain ecosystems, and I find the testnet phase especially crucial in the development process.
Okay, Revo, you mentioned that to make transactions on Monad, we need Mon token from the faucet. How can we get it?
To get MON tokens from the Monad testnet faucet, follow these steps. Go to the Monad testnet faucet, https://faucet.monad.xyz, paste your EVM wallet address. Copy your wallet address from MetaMask or any EVM-compatible wallet. Paste it into the input field on the faucet page. Connect your Discord account and your X account. Then request tokens. Click the button to request MON testnet tokens. The tokens will be sent to your wallet address for use on Monad testnet. Note: MON tokens from the faucet are only for testing and have no real-world value. You can use these tokens to deploy contracts, interact with dApps, and test transactions on Monad testnet. And don't forget, add Monad testnet to your wallet. And you can claim the faucet anytime, 24 hours a day, right here on this website. Make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity because this is a golden chance.
Okay, Revo, I already have some tokens. What should I do next?
Great! If you already have MON tokens, you can start actively exploring the Monad ecosystem in various ways. The first recommended step is to try simple transactions, such as swapping tokens on decentralized exchanges available on the testnet. For Make First Trade, you can try swapping DECA tokens, Yakin tokens, or CHOG tokens, which are also part of this testnet ecosystem. Besides that, you can also try other features like minting and interacting with NFTs, which have become an important part of the modern blockchain ecosystem. You can also test various decentralized applications that are already running on the Monad testnet, so you can understand how different functions and features operate in real conditions. Monad has several sectors in its ecosystem that you can explore based on your interests and needs. Some of the main sectors in the Monad ecosystem include artificial intelligence, AI, decentralized finance, DeFi, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePIN, gaming, governance, NFTs, and various other applications. Each of these sectors offers unique opportunities to learn and participate in blockchain technology development. By using the MON tokens you have claimed earlier, you can try all these features and services without the risk of losing real assets, since the testnet is specifically designed for experimentation and testing. Your active participation in the testnet can also be a valuable experience and prepare you to take part in the mainnet once it is officially launched. In the world of programming, every step is crucial to building something perfect. For those who often deal with code and debugging, you know the relief when you finally find the right solution. If you are a developer, now is a very appropriate and strategic time to start deploying your own smart contracts on the Monad testnet. By utilizing the testnet, you can directly test the performance of your contracts, from how they respond to various transactions to observing transaction execution speed within this network. Additionally, you can evaluate the compatibility of your smart contracts with the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, adopted by Monad, ensuring that the code you write runs smoothly and optimally on this blockchain infrastructure. Having a deep understanding of these technical aspects will greatly help you be more prepared and confident when the time comes to deploy on the mainnet, where transactions involve real assets and the risk of failure is higher. Furthermore, the hands-on experience of testing smart contracts on the testnet offers a great opportunity to detect potential issues or bugs early in the development phase. This allows you to make fixes and improvements faster before the contracts or applications you develop are widely used by many users. This way, you can improve the quality and stability of the applications you build, while avoiding potential losses due to undetected errors on the mainnet. Moreover, the testnet is an ideal place to optimize smart contracts to be more efficient, both in terms of resource usage and transaction cost. So, the contracts you deploy will not only function well, but also be cost-effective and scalable. With all these benefits, fully utilizing the testnet is an important step in the development process that will provide long-term advantages for both developers and the end users of the applications you create. Run both, and you will gain valuable experience and potentially earn significant rewards during this testnet phase.
Okay, Revo, your explanation about the testnet was very good. One last question, is there a written guide available for the Monad testnet?
Okay, of course, Mr. Keown. Here's the official guide and resources that can help you understand and interact with the Monad testnet. You can visit https://docs.monad.xyz. Official Monad testnet documentation website includes Monad testnet onboarding guide. This guide provides the initial steps to get started with the Monad testnet, including how to configure your wallet and obtain testnet tokens. Monad Developer Portal, a comprehensive resource for developers including technical documentation, guides for building decentralized applications, DApps, and information on supported tools and infrastructure. Monad Developer Documentation, in-depth technical guides on Monad's architecture, how to deploy smart contracts, and other relevant information for developers.
Wow, I'm really impressed with all the explanations you've given. Alright, that's enough for today's interview session. You've successfully passed the second test with flying colors. There are still a few more test stages you'll need to complete tomorrow. Keep up this level of consistency.
Got it. Thank you so much, Mr. Keown. I'm really glad to move on to the next stage. I'll keep up the energy and do my best tomorrow. See you in the next round.
Okay, Rivo, you're free to go now. Thanks.
All right, thank you. See you next time. Monad, Mr. Keown.
And so it goes. After enduring a process full of tension, cold sweat, and forced confident smiles, the young man finally emerged from the battlefield, known as the second day of interviews, at the ever-mysterious office of Monad. He walked out with a weary stride, not from mental exhaustion, but because he sat too long and his legs fell asleep. With a slightly crooked blazer and hair that, for some reason, now looked like it had been swept by a mystical wind, he stared into the distance, into a future that remains uncertain. Will he be accepted? Will he make it into the office Discord server? Or will he just receive that classic email saying, "Thank you for your time"? No one knows. But one thing is for sure, he's hungry, because all he's had today is a few gulps from the office water cooler and a full serving of anxiety. And with that, we close this chapter of the tale of the job hunter, brave seeker of the monad role, heroic submitter of up-to-date video files. Let's hope the next call he gets isn't just for another interview, but for a contract signing. See you next time in the next episode. Thanks for watching this video.